This is a test. I had my microphone as the speakers earlier. So, of course, I was trying to record myself talking and could not. I could not record myself because my computer was trying to output my music through my microphone. Whatever. Hey, we're doing RLC Circuits. Super fun stuff. I have 216 slides in this presentation that I've been working on all week. Couple weeks, something like that. Oh, don't do that. Here we go. I had to go all the way back in order to prepare the series of videos that I have. Energy in a magnetic field, intro to RL circuits, RL circuit practice, intro to LC circuits, LC circuit practice, intro to RLC circuits, and RLC circuit practice, which is a series of 7 videos. In order to do that, I had to go all the way back to magnetic dipole moments. I don't think I've talked about them before, so it's nice to have a video about them, because in order to talk about an inductor, you have to talk about the energy in an inductor, especially if you want to do LC circuits, because it's just energy transfer back and forth. So you have to go all the way back to energy in a magnetic field, which is fine. There's potential energy in a magnetic field, but that's a ways back to go. No big deal, though. What I realized is that in order to talk about these circuits, remember, right, inductors are solenoids and they follow Faraday's law if there's a changing current through them. And so then you have a differential equation when you go to solve voltage loops with inductors in them. It's a differential equation, dq dt. You think it's just I, but it's dq dt. So it's time dependent. So I realized I have to go through all of these screenshots of the time dependence in these circuits in order to explain what's going on. So that's a lot of the reason why there is so many slides in here. It's just there's so many circuits that I did, time dependence with, and now it's doing other stuff, right? And RLC circuits are the worst. It's because it's not just like an L and a C. There's so much going on, and then that's where the phasor diagram comes in, and I have to teach people there is a reason for imaginary and real numbers. I know people get stuck in math, like, why am I learning this stuff? But when you write out the voltage loop and then see it's a second order differential equation and realize you can't solve unless you have Euler's equation. So now we have Euler in there. This is pretty cool and involved stuff when it comes to circuits, and really building an understanding of where phasor diagrams come from and why you use them, and how to use them, how to use phasor diagrams, because they are kind of just a creepy thing, right? Which one has the phase angle that's positive, and what does that say about the inductance and the capacitance? So problems aren't too bad, but really understanding, I think if you understand what is going on, then the problems aren't terrible. So, welcome to circuits.